Welcome! If you're looking to stay ahead of the latest trends and never miss out on inspiring ideas, turning on push notifications for boards you might like on Pinterest is a smart move. Today, I'll walk you through the updated steps to make sure you get notified about boards tailored just for you. First, grab your phone and open the Pinterest app. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all the features we'll be talking about. Once you're in, it's time to head over to your profile. Simply tap the profile icon, usually found at the bottom right corner of your screen. This will take you to your personal Pinterest space, where all your saved pins and boards live. Now, look at the top of your profile page and tap on your profile picture. This will open up your profile settings, giving you access to various options to customize your Pinterest experience. Next, find and tap on Notification. This section controls how and when Pinterest keeps you in the loop. Here, you'll see different types of notifications you can manage. Scroll down until you find the section labeled Boards and Searches. Under this, you'll see an option called Boards You Might Like. Tap on Boards you might like to open its settings. Here, you'll see the option to enable or disable push notifications. To start receiving updates about new and interesting boards recommended for you, simply toggle on the push option. When the switch turns on, you're all set. From now on, Pinterest will send you push notifications whenever there are boards you might enjoy based on your interests and activity. This way, you'll always be in the loop, discovering fresh ideas and inspiration, tailored just for you. That's it. You've now successfully set up push notifications for boards you might like on Pinterest. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on making the most out of your favorite apps. Thanks for watching, and happy pinning.